Hey, I just wanted to do this presentation so that I can keep it under time and I can kind of explain things as I click through. You'll notice that right away you see the sound icon on the intro slide. I put audio on all of the slides, and that's another reason why I'm just going to present it without going through the presentation mode. So I'll just run through what I have done. Again, I have audio on every slide, but it won't show up during presentation mode, but the sound will. Okay, so first thing I have is content, and I have linked here each thing that the students are to do. Then I go into what makes a good interview, and I have the students joining a Padlet to discuss what makes a good interview. And then I've included video examples of what makes for a good interview. And then I've included an assignment, Reader's Choice. So I have a series of things for them to look through, and then they will submit their summary to the Dropbox. And I have linked the Dropbox here, but this is going to be housed in D2L. So, eClass for Gwinnett County. And so it's not a Dropbox that you all can click on when you view this. Okay, the next thing I did is, how lovely, I did another screencast here, just explaining to students like how to download these interview questions and save a copy for themselves so that they can then work with them. So their assignment is to choose 20 of the 50 most common interview questions, write their answers, and submit that to the Dropbox. Then they will post their best 5 in a discussion forum in Padlet. So they're going to get peer feedback for their best 5 answers, or what they consider their best 5 answers. On the next slide, I've included a series of videos to help them. So it's kind of an extension activity, an optional thing to see what they want to do. And then I have the assignment here, the mock interview. This is the summative. And so I've got the directions here. I recorded a student sample here. And on these slides, I just kind of wrap up. So I have the, if you need help, reach out to me. Then I have the teacher pages, so the objectives and the standards, Gwinnett County and ISTE. I have a slide for differentiation and a slide for tips for teachers, and of course, references. So that's all my presentation. I did post a link to it if anybody wants to see it actually playing and hear my recordings of things or watch the videos. Thank you for watching.